Turmeric, the golden elixir for inflammation and joint health. Introduction. Recently, there's increased desire for natural cures to treat various ailments. One remedy which has been gaining popularity is turmeric. It is known for its stunning gold color and distinct taste. It isn't only a spice that is used for cooking, but it is also an effective herbal remedy. This article focuses on the advantages of turmeric in particular for fighting joint inflammation as well as promoting healthy joints. What is turmeric? Turmeric is scientifically referred to as curcuma longa, is a perennial herb belonging to the family of ginger. It's native to South Asia and has been extensively used over the years for traditional Indian as well as Chinese remedies. The main ingredient in turmeric, which gives it its bright yellow hue and numerous beneficial health effects, is called curcumin. Curcumin and inflammation. Inflammation is the natural reaction by the body in response to injuries or infections. But chronic inflammation could cause a variety of health issues such as cardiovascular disease as well as diabetes and arthritis. The study of curcumin is extensive to determine its anti-inflammatory effects and has demonstrated promising results when it comes to decreasing inflammation-related markers within the body. Curcumin is a potent inhibitor of the activities of inflammation proteins and enzymes in the body. Curcumin also inhibits the production of inflammatory cytokines. These are the molecules responsible for signaling which trigger and sustain the inflammation response. In reducing inflammation, curcumin can help ease the symptoms of chronic inflammation like joint pain, swelling, and stiffness. Turmeric and joint health. As we get older, joints wear and tear that can lead to ailments such as osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis. The conditions may cause discomfort, limited movement, and a decrease in level of living. Turmeric is recommended as a natural cure for joint health because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. A number of studies have examined the impact of turmeric curcumin supplements on joint function and pain. A comprehensive review within the Journal of Medicinal Food found solid evidence for curcumin's use in alleviating discomfort and improving physical performance for patients suffering from osteoarthritis. A different study that was published within the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found significant improvement in joint swelling and tenderness for patients with rheumatoid arthritis who were taking supplements with curcumin. Turmeric to treat joint inflammation. Although the benefits of turmeric for joints are widely known, however, the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric go beyond joints. It has been proven that curcumin can regulate various pathways of inflammation in the body. This makes it possible to be beneficial in other inflammation ailments. A study that was published in Cancer Prevention Research found that curcumin slowed the development of cancers in the colorectal area by decreasing inflammation and the proliferation of cells. A different study that was published within the journal Brain Research showed that curcumin was a protective agent against neuroinflammation. This could hold benefits for diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. Enhancing turmeric absorption. Although turmeric has numerous advantages for health, its use within the body is only restricted. Curcumin's bioavailability is very low, which means that only a tiny portion can be effectively utilized and absorbed by our bodies. In order to increase the absorption rate of curcumin, it's generally advised to consume turmeric in conjunction with black pepper as well as healthy fats. The black pepper plant contains a chemical known as piperine. It has been proven to increase curcumin absorption up to 22,000%. Fats that are healthy, like olive oil and coconut oil, can also help in the absorption of curcumin. It is suggested to consume turmeric along with these components or take curcumin supplements that contain piperine or black pepper for maximum absorption. Conclusion. Turmeric is a potent spice. Thanks to its active ingredient, curcumin is an elixir of gold that is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties and benefits for joint health. The ability of curcumin to lessen inflammation as well as ease joint pain has led to it becoming an effective natural cure for arthritis-related conditions. Additionally, the benefits of curcumin go beyond joint health and show potential in a variety of inflammation-related conditions. Although turmeric has substantial health benefits, it's vital to boost its intake by eating it along together with black pepper as well as beneficial fats. Integrating turmeric into your daily diet or experimenting with curcumin supplements can be a great way for your overall health and well-being.